Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Today's Tech Tuesday. This is Mike, and we are here at beautiful So Special Quilts in San Antonio, Texas. And today I kind of want to talk to you about this guy right here. This is a nice little thread jam we got going on, the take-up lever and the little mechanical parts there. How this happens most of the time is your take-up lever is in the down position when you're threading. Make sure that when you do thread your machine that your needle is in the up position. That'll avoid a lot of this, okay? What happens is the thread will get caught, like if this is the thread, and this is the take-up lever, it would get caught behind the take-up lever and go into the gears themselves, goes into like the bearings and that kind of stuff. So to avoid that, just make sure that that needle is in the up position. Another thing to do, especially with the 8 series, is you can have multiple spools of thread on your little thread caddy here. Sometimes if you thread a bobbin and you're done with that thread, if you have loose thread just kind of sitting there, sometimes that thread can get caught up into your thread that you're doing on your project, and that also can get caught up in these gears here. So just kind of be aware of that. Now, this is not a common occurrence. It really doesn't happen a whole lot. Most of the time we will see thread behind the hand wheel, not really caught up in these gears here. So that's pretty much for this Tech Tuesday. This is Mike, and we'll see you next week.